Hey everybody, it's Carrie. I am an empowerment astrologer and also a holistic life coach. And I've had a couple of my clients contact me and ask me how to cook in quarantine, how to cook in quarantine on little dime and no time, or maybe too much time, but basically how to deal with stress eating when you're inside your house and the only things that were available at the store were a bunch of fast food or preserved foods or things like that. How do you keep up your immunity and also your health while you're inside? And so I thought I would do a little short video for you today. I'm going to create something that I do. I create immunity snacks. Actually, I eat these almost every day, what I'm about to show you, but they're basically sweet potato fries. Now I make them with my air fryer, but you can also make them with a conventional oven. And today I'm actually going to call them sweet potato chips because all my sweet potatoes are really thin like this. So we're going to make some chips today. So first thing you start off with is a cutting board, and hopefully you have also sanitized your surface. We are in quarantine right now. I already did that. I actually just got back from Costco and sanitized all my stuff, sanitized my surface, everything. I washed these sweet potatoes with a lovely vegetable wash from Trader Joe's, and now first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel them. Now again, because these are very thin sweet potatoes, I'm going to make sweet potato fries. I could try to make them into fry size. I value my limbs. I'm not going to try to do that for you today. So I'm just going to make them into little circular chips. Now, let's see. These are organic sweet potatoes. I try to get as much organic food as possible. That's one of the reasons that I go to Costco, actually, because Costco is one of the largest organic distributors in the US. So that's a little fun tip. So also because right now Costco is it's a large space. I was at another store the other day and the aisles were really thin, and it just makes it hard to do your little social distancing that you're supposed to be doing. So I went ahead this morning. I had some neighbors and some friends that are a little older and also have some health compromised. And I went to Costco this morning to do some shopping for me, but some shopping for them also. And you just wait outside until they're ready to bring in. I think they bring in a certain amount of people. If you're willing to wait in line, you can get a lot of organic food for a lot cheaper than you would at some of the smaller stores. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to cut off the nubbly ends. And now I have this whole peeled sweet potato, organic sweet potato, okay? It's also a boomerang. So anyway, we're going to cut them, try to get them as thin as possible because I like to season my sweet potatoes. I mean, they're good on their own. They're delicious on their own, but I like to season them and I like them to be really crispy. And so in order for you to get some good seasoning on them and also make sure that they get really crispy in the air fryer, you have to make them kind of thin. Now, I'm not a chef, as you can see, so this is going as quickly as it would on the Food Network. But this is what we got because we in quarantine. So all you got is me right now. So this is what we do. They're pretty thin. You're gonna see right there. Like you can literally see through it. Okay. That was like a Pringle. Look at that. All right. So I'm gonna do a couple more here. Now, if you have a lovely air fryer, which I did get last year during Amazon's, like Prime Days or whatever that was. An air fryer is the best way, in my opinion, to do this. It makes it super crispy and you don't have to fry them so much. You can use just a little bit of oil. But you can absolutely use a conventional oven. You just have to make sure that you spread all of the chips out in a layer so that at least one side is always touching the metal surface of the pan, the sheet pan that you're using. So we're just going to start with that. Now we're going to take a bowl. We're going to take our lovely fries, okay? Or chips, as it were. Put them chips in there. Then we're going to do some massaging, all right? This is when we take a little bit of olive oil And we're gonna do a little bit of that on them, okay? And this is when we just start massaging them into the bowl. Can you see what I'm doing? Hold on a second. You're gonna wanna massage them, each one of them, massage the oil into each one of the chips. Make sure you get both sides. And an air fryer, the air is circulating all parts of the chip. And so that's also why I like it better than the conventional oven, because you don't have to flip them over. But you do have to do like a little shuffle in between. All right, so here we go. This is what that looks like. Nice massaged oil. Now, I'm gonna add my seasonings. This is where you can get innovative. I don't care what you do. You could put all kind of things on yours. This is what I'm gonna put on mine, okay? First thing I got, some granulated onion from Costco. Put that in there. Then I got some granulated garlic from Costco, okay. And then I'm gonna hit you with something that you were not expecting. I got some smoked paprika from Costco, okay? So smoked paprika makes me feel fancy. So that's why I put them on things. Also, it adds color. You know, one of the most wonderful things about fresh, healthy food is that it has a color. If you've noticed, like most food that is not healthy just looks brown. Like just fried food, it just has one color. It's why I don't like the movie The Lion King, because everything is just beige in that movie. All right, so I'm saturating everything with my seasonings. Now, I'm gonna take my air fryer. I'm not gonna show you which air fryer I got, because that would require me moving this whole set around, and I don't feel like doing that. But I am gonna show you the air fryer carafe thing. Okay, so this is it. And this is the inside. And this is like, there's a little grate in there. So you lay your chips, I mean, as much as you can, flatten them, but like I said, the air circulates around it, so you don't really have to go crazy. All right. And here's what you're gonna do. And this is what it kind of looks like in there, okay? All right. Then you put it into your air fryer, like so. And then you're going to put it on a certain temperature. I like to first put it on a lower temperature, like 350, for like 10 minutes, and then raise it to the top temperature for 10 minutes for final crisping. You can do, again, whatever you want, but that's what I'm going to do for 10 minutes. All right, I'm not gonna make you sit here for 10 minutes and wait for these, but I just want you to know that in 20 so minutes, some delicious, crispy, sweet potato immunity chips are gonna be coming out of my air fryer. And if you would like to put them into the oven, just put them on about 400 into the oven for, again, 20 minutes. But if you're in the oven, you're gonna have to pay attention to them. I don't like to pay attention to things. That's why I have them in my air fryer. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoy your immunity chips. If you're stress eating, nosh on those instead of the Pringles. And if you like this video, if you want more quarantine kitchen with Carrie, leave me a comment below. I'm happy to make some more. What else do I have to do? All right, take care, everybody. Stay safe.